welcome. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Violet, and today I'm going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. You can see some of the stuff back here. And hunted and looked and searched for certain items that I had seen other people already purchase that I had ideas to use those items for, but unfortunately I haven't been able to find a lot of them. But I did find a few good things that I wanted to share with you guys, and some of the ideas that I might already have to use those items for. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and let me go ahead and show you what I got. First item I picked up were these gray and white baby blankets. Super excited that I found a different pattern. I still have some buffalo check ones from last season, so I'm happy I was able to find at least two of these striped gray and white ones to kind of blend in and incorporate with my holidays this year. Another thing that I found were these square plates. Typically, I only find round ones at where I shop at, so I was super excited to find two of the square white plates. So stay tuned for a project with those as well. Another item I found were these cinnamon scented pine cones. And these have adorable little small pine cones that are great for wreaths and fillers and just such things like for tier trays. So if you guys find these, pick them up, at least one bag. You'll be amazed how many projects you could do with just one bag. Another item I was super excited to find were these wood stems. Now, last year I only found the larger ones like this size, but this year I was able to find all three sizes. So I picked up one of each. This is the largest one again, and they're shorter. This one's the medium size. They're a little bit thinner, but also longer than the other first bag I just showed you. And then, of course, the smaller ones are a lot longer, but thinner. So can't wait to make some projects with those. Another item I found that I'm going to leave as is this wooden pumpkin. Something else I picked up were just a few different color florals. I just picked up some random florals, again, some berries and some grass and what have you, just for vase fillers and wreaths for the holidays. And I picked up some stems with leaves on them as well. And one item that I absolutely love that I haven't ever seen in yellow were some small roses. I've seen them in pink, but never in yellow. And I'm going to show them to you right here. See how beautiful they are? So if you find these, pick them up. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They look very high end, don't look like they're from Dollar Tree at all. And there's 6 in each stem. So you do get quite a bit, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I like this soft yellow, so I'm super excited I found at least one of those. And then here's just some more different florals that I'm going to be using and sharing with you for some upcoming tutorials on wreaths and such. Another item I picked up were some of these farmhouse style wooden picture frames, and I'm going to use these for risers for my candles. And something that you might not want to or even go through or the grocery aisle, but look what I found. I found some split peas, and these are in yellow, and I also picked up some in green that I'm going to be doing a project with, so stay tuned for that as well. Super excited on that one. Something else I found were these adhesive cork sheets. And now I only picked up 3, but I regret it. I should have picked up some more. So if you find them, pick them up. Now this right here is a beautiful placemat that's white with silver threading. Wish I could have found at least 2 more because I wanted to make a runner for my table for the holidays. But if you do find some, pick them up. They're absolutely gorgeous, very high quality too. Another thing that's always at Dollar Tree that I picked up for a few projects that are coming up is this non-slip rug underlining. So if you find one of those, pick them up because they're usually always at Dollar Tree. Another thing I got was a wreath, and I got one of these wooden wreaths, and this is the I believe it was the 18-inch. Then I also picked up one of these calendars, and I'm going to do a DIY with those. Now this item, I picked it up, but I'm not going to do anything with it at all. I think it's so pretty as is, so I'm going to keep it. Just it goes to show you, you don't have to necessarily do DIYs with everything from Dollar Tree. This looks very high end, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous with my pumpkin, the wood style pumpkin that I picked up as well. So these 2 items I'm leaving as is. Some other fall decor that I picked up were these signs for fall. I picked up 3 of the same and 1 different. This one has the wooden style contact paper, and then the other 3 have it's like a leaf pattern on there. Something else that if you find, pick them up, because this is only around during summer, is this raffia skirt. I have a few more projects in mind that I want to use that for. And these are the rings that I use for my crochets as handles. And then I also picked up this Himalayan salt, and this is the fine grain, which I usually never find, especially for $1. Something else I picked up were this double-sided tape. I've never used it. Let me know in the comments below if you've used it and how good does it work. Another thing I was super excited about was this wall tile that I finally found at my local Dollar Tree. So I picked up this gray one, and I also picked up this wooden wood style one. So I picked up 6 of each. Absolutely excited about this. So stay tuned for a few projects with those. Something else was yarn, and then tomorrow's project, you'll see me using this car mat. So stay tuned for that, but I'll be using this car mat for something you would never, ever guess that I'm going to use it for. So, yeah, go ahead and pick one up if you can. Something else I picked up were another one of these wall stickers, and I picked up the one that says "Keep Life Simple." I thought it was really pretty, and you'll see how I'm going to transform that one as well. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and stay tuned for all the great projects I'll be making with everything I purchased. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.